In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create study notes with Grok, Student Setup 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, start a conversation, and turn a simple request into clear, useful study notes you can rely on for class or exam prep. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. You should land on the homepage where Grok is front and center, ready to chat. If the site looks a little different, that's fine. Just make sure you're on the main Grok page and you can see the chat interface. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick and optional but highly recommended. Logging in helps save your progress so your notes don't disappear when you close the tab, and it keeps your conversations organized across devices. If you decide to skip it, you can still follow along. Just remember you may need to copy your notes somewhere safe before leaving. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI itself. This is the assistant you'll be talking to. Think of it as your study partner that can draft, tidy, and clarify notes as you go. Take a second to get comfortable with the layout. Now look for the chat bar on the main screen. It's usually at the bottom. This is where you'll type your request. Click into it so your cursor is blinking and you're ready to begin. Type your request to create study notes. A simple way to start is, create study notes. For better results, add your topic and any constraints. For example, create study notes on cellular respiration for a high school biology class. Keep them concise with definitions and key processes. Press enter to send. Grok will generate information and structure it into notes you can use right away. Read through what it gives you and see how well it matches your needs. If the first draft isn't quite right, ask again for more detailed information. Be specific about what's missing. You could say, add examples, include key terms and definitions, organize by headings and subheadings, or expand the summary and include 3 practice questions. You can also adjust the tone and length by asking for short bullet-style summaries, or a more detailed outline. Keep refining until the notes are clear, accurate, and study-ready. That's it. Go to grok.com, log in if you want your progress saved, use the chat bar, ask Grok to create study notes, and refine the results with targeted follow-ups. With a few iterations, you'll have polished notes tailored to your course and learning style.